Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're going to show you how to program your EPICO remote to your TVs. Whether you just got your EPICO remote or you need to reprogram it, we've got you covered with easy steps. Let's dive in. Step 1. Preparation. First, make sure you have your EPICO remote and the user manual handy. The manual contains a list of TV codes you might need. Step 2. Power on. Turn on your TV manually if it's not already on. Ensure your EPICO remote has fresh batteries. Step 3. Find your TV brand code. Next, locate the TV brand code for your specific TV model. You can find this in the user manual or on EPICO website. Step 4. Programming process. Now, let's get to programming. Press and hold the set button on your EPICO remote until the indicator light turns on. Enter the TV brand code using the number buttons on the remote. The indicator light should blink twice to confirm the code entry. Test the remote by pressing the power button to see if the TV turns off. If it does, you've successfully programmed your EPICO remote. Step 5. Manual code search optional. If your TV brand code isn't listed or the remote doesn't work, you can perform a manual code search. Turn on your TV manually. Press and hold the set button until the indicator light turns on. Press and release the power button repeatedly until the TV turns off. This may take several tries. Once the TV turns off, press the enter button to store the code. Conclusion: that's it. You've now programmed your EPICO remote to your TV. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. If you have any questions or need further assistance, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.